Okay, this is either serpentine or a chrysoprase. I'm not sure. I looked it up, and both look similar. And then I saw something about jade, so I'm thinking it's serpentine or chrysoprase. And we're going to make a bracelet using those beads and those crystals. And these are $14mm. And I cut my wire. It's a little bit over 3 inches. Just a little bit. I generally eyeball it, so, but that's a little bit over 3 inches. What I do is I look at the bead, how much space I need. This is how I do it. Look at the bead, how much space I need for this, and then to allow for a wrap. And that's how I figure what I need. Okay, let's get started. Go about a third of the way down. Wrap it around, and then wind it around it.
Here.
Alright, now, see how loose I've got it wrapped there? If you're loose like that, while it's still on your round nose, just scoot it down a little bit. And go through. Around. See, we just have enough. I don't know how much to tell you to leave at each end, but probably a little bit over an inch, if possible. If you're tight on wire. I just don't like cutting much off. Wish I'm saving what I do. Okay, there you go. Alright, now Let's do another one. All right, let's see. I'm like that's about an inch down. So then you have about that much left to wrap around. Okay, there we go. Try a different one. I'm finding some of them don't go through on this 20 gauge wire. It might work for earrings or something, but it's not going to work for this one. Go back around. I have a little bit more than an inch left on this end. Just a hair more. So go around. I have to hold it. Don't want to break that crystal. Let's see, how can I do this? Hold it on this side. Well, There, that one's gonna go through. Pull it through. Make it like that. Okay, now, well, y'all, my battery died. I'm gonna have to invest in some new batteries because these are old and they can hardly hold a charge. And I've got a 3-inch piece. We probably won't need that much. But I'm going to go ahead and we'll make a round. We're just going to make a hook. Make it like that. Go through. Yeah, those batteries are probably 5 years old, so they didn't get used that much. And so I might have to get me a new set. Okay, now we'll go like that. And then okay, y'all, thanks for watching. There's our bracelet. And I think it turned out pretty good. I like the little green ones with it. Okay. Okay, I think that turned out pretty good. I like the little green beads. I would like to have had enough room for spacers in here, but I think it would have made the bracelet too big. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. And those of you that stuck it out to the end, thank you so much. And until next time, y'all take care out there. And I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.